Welcome to Splash Lab, where we make science simple and fun.
Let's dive in. Rain is a good thing for growing crops, which provide us the food we eat. Rain also helps us maintain fresh water sources that supply our drinking water. But here at the Splash Lab, we see rain bring many challenges for water quality too. This means lots of steps are needed to treat water before it is clean and safe for you to drink and use.
Think of it this way. When it rains, the water that falls on land ultimately flows into water supplies like rivers and lakes. The chemicals used to make the products we need, the fuels that run most vehicles, the medicines we take, the salt from snowy roads, the raw sewage that can overflow, the fertilizers from farms, it all ends up back in our rivers, lakes, and other waterways.
The good news is, American Water is proactive at helping to protect the health and safety of our customers and the communities we serve. Our central lab can test for more than 220 different types of water quality concerns. Every year at the lab, our scientists and technical experts screen more than 30,000 samples to help keep your water safe.
Plus, our R&D team is regularly evaluating and developing new methods for detection of things that may make it into our water sources. Here's one example. A city in our service territory experienced an outbreak of Legionella, a bacteria that can cause potentially life-threatening illnesses. American Water sprang into action to apply a decade of research our R&D team had done on Legionella to find out the conditions it needed to grow and probability of finding it in our water and wastewater systems. When we looked at water quality data to see if any triggers for Legionella were there, we were able to confirm the problem was happening from an outside source, not within our system. And because of our research, we knew what to do to treat the problem to help protect public health if we had found Legionella in our systems.
Science is pretty powerful, right? Here's just one more example of how our R&D team came to the rescue just recently. When the COVID-19 virus first began impacting our world, water utilities didn't understand the effectiveness of their treatment processes on this new virus. The American Water R&D team already had a research project ongoing for 5 years that it was able to very quickly apply to the COVID-19 problem to determine that the virus was not any more of a threat in water and wastewater than any other organism that already manages our treatment processes. And that's something we're really proud of, because American Water is here to help provide water and wastewater solutions for our changing world. We'll be here at the Splash Lab working on our next big findings. Until we see you again.